How to create custom fields in monday.com. So first go to your dashboard, then choose your workspace, and then just click on your board. So next is just click on the plus icon here, then choose any of the the columns here. So for example, I'll just choose this one, the drop down, and then I'll just rename it to customize it. So instead of drop down, just click on, I'll just type in pick here. Okay, so here you can just create your own labels. Click on label 1, so just sample label 1, sample 1, create a new label. So you can see it's pretty easy to create a custom field. So let's say you want to add a custom status. Next is, so instead of getting done here, I'll just name this as finished, and instead of working on it, not done. And if you want to add a new label, just click on new label and type in anything here, and then just click on apply, and there you go. Now you have your own custom fields here. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.